Welcome to Path and Plate. Today I'm making a fresh, vibrant take on the classic 1905 salad from the Columbia restaurant in St. Augustine, Florida. Perfect for my kitchen. So all the recipes that I make are really focused on bringing everyone to the table, even if they have modern dietary choices that need to be accommodated or allergies. In my family, we have soy allergy, egg allergy, and gluten-free allergy. So I try to make only one meal that accommodates everyone. So I don't have extra dishes, no one's having a separate meal, no one feels deprived, but we just have one incredible flavor-packed meal that is gluten-free, egg-free, and soy-free. Most of the time I can accommodate this and everyone can just dig in and enjoy. So today the meal is really pretty hearty and delicious. It is really quite naturally gluten-free, soy-free, and egg-free, except for when we get to some of the wet ingredients. The Worcestershire sauce, for instance, can create problems for people with gluten intolerance because of the barley. So that's not really a problem if you buy Leah Perrin, the US version. That's a gluten-free option, but you can also do amino acids, coconut amino acids. So here we've chopped the lettuce, we've added the julienne Swiss cheese, and now we are julienning the ham. Now you can see that I don't really measure my stuff. Once I know the recipe, I will measure if it's a new recipe. But once I know the recipe, I sort of just eyeball it. However, I am leaving the measurements in the description so you can get them there. So here we're julienning the ham. So here we're using Parm instead of Romano. It's just what I had on hand. It still adds a really perfect salty bite. Very nice, but you can use Romano. That's what the original recipe actually calls for. Now we're going to add in the green olives. My store did not have plain Spanish olives, so I am using Castelvetrano. Not sure if I'm saying that right. They have a milder, maybe buttery taste. Still pretty briny. And honestly, they work beautifully here. I didn't even know I liked green olives. Turns out I don't like stuffed green olives. I don't like pimentos. Here in this salad, they are wonderful. And they work beautifully. Then we're adding coconut amino acids here in place of the Worcestershire sauce. You can use Worcestershire sauce if you have a gluten-free intolerance or allergy, but you must buy the Leah Perrin Worcestershire sauce, the US version. I'm sure there are others out there, but that's the one I know of. Coconut amino acids are great because they bring in that perfect umami flavor as well. Here we're adding the lemon. I have used store-purchased lemon juice, but it's always better when it's fresh squeezed, right? At least 1 tablespoon. I added the whole juice of 1 lemon. I've seen some people add the lemon and Worcestershire sauce directly to the dressing. That's not how the original recipe goes, and I like adding it directly to the lettuce. Not only does it brighten up the flavor, but it also keeps the lettuce from browning if I'm not serving the salad right away. Once the coconut amino acids and lemon juice are in, let's give everything a good toss to make sure the flavors get evenly distributed. Just before serving this delicious, hearty, allergy-friendly meal, gluten-free, soy-free, and egg-free, I pour over the salad dressing and toss it thoroughly. So yummy, so fresh. This just makes your taste buds go wham, like wake you up. The changes I made to the original recipe here are I left out the tomatoes because I didn't have any. I substituted coconut aminos for Worcestershire. I substituted Parm for Romano, and I used Castelvetrano olives instead of Spanish. And it's that simple. Allergy-friendly, everybody comes to the table, absolutely delicious. Everyone loves this like once a week now. If you love recipes like this that bring everyone to the table, even if they have allergies or modern dietary choice needs, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. I'm Lavon, and this is Path and Plate, where food is delicious and hospitality reigns supreme. See you next time.